KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 21st of November. It's Thanksgiving Eve. I'm James Spann. The weather nice and quiet here through tomorrow. Rain comes back Friday night. Maybe a few showers on Sunday. Let's go in there and check things out. Early this morning, big trough over the eastern states responsible for pulling down some pretty chilly air. Most locations are well below the freezing mark to start the day. Cullman, 25. Gadsden, 26. Birmingham, 31. We'll expect a high today in the mid-50s in most spots, but man, it's really cold over Canada and the far northern states. That'll be dropping down into New England in the northeast United States tomorrow, making one of the coldest Thanksgivings on record there. All right, travelers, things are pretty quiet around the nation on this big travel day. That's the good news. Just a couple of pockets of problems, some issues with rain and snow for California, snow for the Sierra Nevadas, heavy rain for the northern Pacific coast, winter weather advisories, parts of the mountains of Utah and Colorado, and a few counties in New York under winter weather advisories. Severe weather, not a problem today. Maybe some thunder for the Pacific coast and parts of the Texas coastal plain. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. Big numbers for the upper Pacific coast, San Francisco to Seattle. Maybe some rain down to Los Angeles and San Diego. In the east, we'll have some rain and snow. In Alabama, the latest guidance suggesting rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch between now and Wednesday morning of next week. The bulk of that will be Friday night, as you'll see. And the tropics are quiet. We can pretty much stick a fork in the season. It wraps up technically in 9 days, but I think we're done for the year. So model fans, here we go. Here's the GFS, the 06C run, valid at noon today. Troughing on the East Coast. And again, a dry air mass. A bright sunny day today with a high between 54 and 57 for most spots. And again, if you're traveling, check out the map. It's pretty quiet nationally. A little bit of snow up in the northeast. Rain for the upper Pacific coast. Otherwise, quiet. Thanksgiving Day. A beautiful day. Sunny. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the low 60s. Both the NAM and the GFS are showing 62 for Birmingham. Friday. The day should be dry. Clouds will likely increase. We'll expect the high probably in the 50s on Friday. Rain to the west, and then Friday night, here comes a big old batch of rain. That's midnight Friday night. I don't even think we hear any thunder. There's certainly no chance of any severe weather. Question is, will it rain on the high school playoff games? Best case scenario, the rain comes in after the games are over. That might happen for East Alabama. Not so sure that happens for West Alabama. I'd take the rain gear one way or the other. Again, rain amounts probably about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch with that feature. And then Saturday at midday, the rain is out. Good news for the Iron Bowl. That should be a dry and pretty mild game. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s in Tuscaloosa at kickoff at 2:30. And the sun might peek out. Go to Sunday. Very deep, intense feature north and west of the state. A 993 millibar low that's over central Missouri. That could be blizzard conditions for parts of Iowa, down toward Lincoln, Nebraska, maybe up toward Madison, Wisconsin, and Green Bay. But there's just no moisture here. Sunday looks mild. We'll be up there close to 70. Clouds will increase. This is Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, and the GFS really showing not enough moisture for any precipitation here. We'll mention a chance of showers Sunday evening, but again, we might get away with nothing with this. Thankfully, if we had moisture and instability, that would be a severe weather look, but we just don't. And then Monday, we're cool and dry. Highs drop to about 50. The sky will clear. A pretty good north wind. Tuesday, cool and dry. And a week from today, Wednesday the 28th, troughing over the east. And again, that's cool and dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday the 30th of November, end of the month. A little short wave to the north. That suggests we might be kind of wet and stormy at that point. But that will probably change. And we'll peek at the numbers. You can see those 60s for the weekend, then highs back around 50 for the first part of next week. And after that, highs mostly in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We're on a holiday schedule, so one video per day through the weekend. If you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. And, of course, forecast notes are over on the blog. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.